Hello children, today I am going to tell you a story. This story is about the old man and his three sons. There was an old man who had three sons. They did not love one another. They kept fighting all the time. This made the old man very sad. One day the old man called his sons. He brought a bundle of sticks for them. And he said to them, "Here is a bundle of sticks. Break the bundle." Each of his sons tried to break the bundle, but they could not. Then the old man untied the bundle. He gave one stick to each of his sons and said, "Try to break your sticks." Now they broke their sticks very easily. The old man said, "My boys, you have seen that you cannot break the sticks when they are tied with a string, but you can break them when they are separated. This is the strength of unity. If you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. So do not fight with each other. Try to live in peace. Then you will all be very happy." Children, this story gives us a wonderful lesson. If we stay together or united, nobody will be able to harm us. Now, children, I will ask you some questions. Try to answer me. Number 1. How many sons did the old man have? Yes, the old man had 3 sons. Number 2. What had the old man brought? Answer me, children. The old man brought a bundle of sticks, right? Number 3. What broke easily? Try, children, try. A single stick broke very easily, isn't it? Now I will tell you some sentences. Tell me whether they are true or false. Number 1. The old man's sons kept fighting with each other. True? Yes. Number 2. The sons could not break the bundle of sticks. Yes. So you can say true. Number 3. The old man broke the bundle of sticks. No. Say false. Number 4. The old man told his sons to be united. Yes, it's true. Hope you all have enjoyed listening to this story and solving the exercises. Thank you.